Hello students, I have selected around 45 questions from the errorless chemistry. That chapter is surface chemistry, and the topic which we are going to cover adsorption and adsorption isotherm. The two topic I have selected. On the basis of this, we are going to solve all the problem. Let us try to go for one by one question, student. Chemisorption. The question first one is chemisorption. So involve the weak attractive interaction. No, weak not. It is the you can say a strong bond are there, chemical bond between the adsorbate and adsorbent. So this is not the correct, student. Now next point is irreversible. That is correct. Because it is a chemical process is irreversible process, because if it is a physical process, adsorption, it will be reversible, but here in the chemical process, that is breaking of bond and formation of bond takes place, that is why it is irreversible. So option number, that is which one is option number B is correct, students. Okay, so always you keep in mind, student, chemical adsorption is irreversible due to formation of new bond in a compound. Now students, let us try to have a look over the next question, question number 2. Chemisorption increases with temperature, decreases with temperature, remains unaffected, wrong, either increase, wrong. So increases with temperature. So initially it is increases with the temperature, student. Chemisorption initially it is increases with the temperature and then become constant and then decreases. So chemical adsorption increases with the temperature as activation energy required for the chemical bond formation. Which among the following is false? They are asking which among the following is false. Adsorption may be monolayered. No, adsorption is may be multi-layered, student. Monolayered or multi-layered. Okay, that is the correct then. Okay, they are asking false, na? So monolayer, multi-layer both are possible. Particle side of adsorbent will not affect the amount of adsorption. No, particle size of adsorbent will affect, will affect the adsorption, student. The when the they are saying when the temperature is raised, the viscosity of liquid decreases. This is because increase in temperature increases the average kinetic energy of the molecule, which overcome the attractive force. So the kinetic energy, if you talk about, student, okay, let us try to answer in the different way, student. Particle size, if the particle size is large, okay, particle size is large, okay, so what will happen, student? Adsorption will be the little more, student. If the particle size is large, adsorption will be more. So what they are saying, particle size of adsorbent will affect, okay, you can say that is greater the surface area, greater will be the adsorption. Okay, surface area, okay, SA, surface area proportional to adsorption. So that is what, that is it is depending, students. Okay, fine powder have the more surface. So option number, question number 3rd, option number B is correct, dear student, that you keep in mind. Now let us move the question number 4. Wood charcoal is used to decolorize the sugar. Wood charcoal is used to decolorize the sugar because it adsorbs the color material. Because the charcoal adsorbs the color material, that is why it is used as a decolorizing material. Question number 5. If the adsorbate is held on surface by weak van der Waals force, the adsorption process is called. If the adsorption, the point they are saying, if adsorbate, that is whatever the going to adsorb, is held by surface by weak van der Waals force, the adsorption is called physical adsorption. Option number 1, very easy. Now let us move out the question number 6, student. What the question number 6 is going? When the temperature is raised, the viscosity of liquid decreases. This is because what is increase in temperature increases the average kinetic energy of molecule, which overcomes the attractive forces. So if the attractive forces are less, the viscosity will decrease. So option number B is correct, student. Now a solid act as an adsorbent. A solid act as an adsorbent because it has what it has, that is unsaturated valency. Because of unsaturated valency, solid act as a adsorbent. Okay, so that is option number C is correct. Now let us move out question number next. Point out the wrong statement. Point out the wrong statement. So which is wrong statement, student? Wrong statement. Physical adsorption is characterized by, okay, wrong we are going. Attraction, weak, wonderful, this is the correct. Irreversible nature of adsorption, irreversible. No, Physical adsorption is reversible. So option number B is correct answer, student. Now let us move the question number 9. When the temperature is lowered, the pressure is raised, the adsorption of gas on solid increases. Option number B is correct, students. Okay, so 9 option number B. Okay, student. Now question number 10. In physical adsorption, the gas molecule are held on solid surface. In physical adsorption, gas molecule are held on solid surface by van der Waals force. So option number D is correct, student. Now let us move out the question number 11. Adsorption is multi-layer in case of physical adsorption. Option number A. Physical adsorption is involving multi-layer, not in chemical. Physical adsorption, question number 12, you see physical adsorption involve weak attractive force, a weak attractive interaction between adsorbate and adsorbent. Option number A itself is correct, student. The charge on As2S3 sol is due to adsorbed, what it is going to adsorb, student, that is it is going to adsorb S2 minus ion. So that is, this will be the negatively charged, student. It will be As2S3, then S2 minus will adsorb here. So it will the negatively charged collide, student. Okay. Now let us move the next problem. The problem they are saying, in the adsorption, the acetic acid activated, acetic on activated charcoal, the acetic acid is they are asking, that is adsorbate. This will be because the acetic acid is getting adsorbed on the activated charcoal. Okay, so option D. Sticking of one substance at the surface of another is called, sticking of one substance on another substance is called adsorption, option number C. 15 option number C. The charge on colloidal particle, right, student, the charge on colloidal particle is due to, the charge on colloidal particle is due to adsorption of ions from the solution. Okay, the charge on colloidal particle is due to adsorption of ion from the solution. So that is, the charge of on colloidal particle is due to adsorption of ion from solution. Which of the following statement is not correct? Okay, we have to check out, that is which is not correct. The extent of adsorption has no upper limit. Okay, this is the not correct. Okay, not correct, because extent of adsorption become the constant at certain pressure and temperature. For the adsorption of a gas on liquid, for the adsorption of gas on a solid, the plot of x by m versus log p, log x by m versus log p, linear slope equal to 1 by n. Okay, slope is 1 by n. So 18 option number D is correct. According to Legumer adsorption isotherm, the amount of gas adsorbed at very high pressure, okay, amount of gas adsorbed at very high pressure reaches a constant limiting value. So when the pressure is very high, the adsorption will be x by m will be constant. Which of the following statement is not correct? Question number 20. Which of the following statement is not correct? Which of the following statement is not correct? So which is not correct? Chemical adsorption decreases at high temperature and low pressure. This is not correct. Chemical adsorption increases when the temperature increases. Okay, student. So this is the not correct, student. Option number B is not correct. Now let us move out the question number 21. In adsorption of oxalic acid on activated charcoal, the activated charcoal is known as, in adsorption of oxalic acid, activated charcoal, the activated charcoal is known as adsorbent. Okay, option number A is correct. So that is very easy problem, student. Let us move 22. Adsorption is phenomena in which a substance, adsorption is a phenomena in which a substance accumulate on the surface of other substance, accumulate on the surface of other substance. Okay, adsorption is phenomena in which a substance accumulate on the surface of the other substance. So option number C is correct. Okay, option number C is correct. Next number, question number 22. Physical adsorption essentially quite appreciable. Physical adsorption is essentially quite appreciable at room temperature, at lower temperature, at higher temperature. Okay, so physical adsorption is appreciable at lower temperature, student. Adsorption increases when temperature increases, temperature decreases, temperature remain constant, and none of these. So if you talk about the adsorption, student, when the temperature will decrease, okay, so adsorption increases. Okay, that we are talking about physical adsorption. We are talking about physical adsorption. Okay, chemical adsorption, it will increase. In chemical adsorption, how many layers are adsorbed? Only one. Chemical adsorption is unilayer adsorption. Okay, now let us move question number 26. The adsorption of gas on solid surface varies with the pressure of the gas in which of the following manners. Okay, the adsorption of gas on the solid surface varies with the pressure of the gas in which of the following manner. So 26 that we are going for, the that is option number A is correct. Fast, slow, independent of the pressure. So firstly, the adsorption of the gas on surface varies with the pressure. The firstly, when the pressure apply, it will be very fast, then it will become slow, and then it will become the constant. Next one, which of the following statement is not applicable to chemisorption? Which of the following statement is not applicable for the chemisorption? So 27, it is independent of the temperature. It is independent of the temperature. So correct option is option number D. Adsorption is always, okay, adsorption is always exothermic. Adsorption is always exothermic. So option number B is correct. The colloidal system consisting of liquid adsorbent in a solid adsorbent. So that is paint. Paint are there. The example. So liquid adsorbent. So that is solid adsorb in liquid. Okay, solid in liquid. So that is what is known as sol. Option number B is correct, student. 29, this will be B. Now question number 30. Which one of the following substance adsorb hydrogen gas most strongly? Activated carbon, silica gel, iron powder, platinum. So if you talk about, that is platinum black adsorb, okay, that is adsorb hydrogen gas. Okay, so dear student, that is also memory based question that we have to memorize this one. Okay, that platinum black adsorb hydrogen more rapidly, student. Now let us move 31. According to the adsorption theory of catalysis, the speed of the reaction increases because, according to the adsorption theory of catalysis, the speed of the reaction increases because adsorption lowers the activation energy of the reactant. Okay, because adsorption lower the activation energy of the reaction. According to the adsorption theory of catalysis, the speed of the reaction increases because adsorption lowers the activation energy. Okay, next one, in frontless adsorption isotherm, adsorption is proportional to pressure P power 1 by N. So 32, if you are going, student, option number D is correct. Which one of the following characteristics is not correct for the physical adsorption? Okay, so that is adsorption increases with increase in temperature. As the adsorption will increase, adsorption will decrease on increasing the temperature. Which of the following is not a characteristics of chemisorption? Which of the following is not a characteristics of chemisorption? So 34, if you are going, option number C. Adsorption may be multi-layer. Okay, so in the chemisorption, it is unilayer, student. In the chemisorption, unilayer, it is the unilayer. But in physical adsorption, it is multi-layer. So our option is option number 3. They are saying which of the not characteristic. So it is not multi-layer. The viscosity of solvent depends on density of the liquid. Viscosity of solvent depends on density of the liquid. So option number D is correct, student. Viscosity of the solvent depends on density of the liquid. Option number D is correct. Now 36. Which of the following kind of catalysis can be explained by adsorption theory? That is heterogeneous catalysis. Option number 3rd, student. Option number 3rd. Adsorption due to strong chemical force is called adsorption. Due to strong chemical force is called chemiadsorption. Chemiadsorption. So 37A. Now let us move out 38. In neutralization of Ki by AgNO3, positive charge is due to Ag plus ion. So option number is option number A, 38A. Now next one. Physical adsorption is inversely proportional to. Physical adsorption is inversely proportional to. Okay, 39 if you are going, that is temperature. Physical adsorption is inversely proportional to temperature. 40. 50 ml of 1 molar oxalic acid second with 5 gram of wood charcoal. The final concentration of solution after adsorption is 0.5 molar amount of oxalic acid. Adsorb per gram of charcoal is, so it will be, the option is C number, student, 6.30 gram. Okay, so how can we be able to solve this problem, students? Let us see. So W, if you are calculating here, that is, you can go, that is molar mass of oxalic acid is 126, 1 into 50 upon, that is 1000, so it will come, that is 6.3. Okay, so this is what our required answer is, students. So next one is noble gas are adsorbed by. Noble gas are adsorbed by, that is activated coconut charcoal. Because noble gases are adsorbed by coconut charcoal, the adsorption of different noble gas occur at different temperature. Hence, charcoal is used to separate these gases. Helium is not adsorbed by charcoal as it is very difficulty liquefiable gas. Now question number 42. Animal charcoal is used to decolorizing color of the liquid because it is a good, adsorbate. It is a good adsorbate. Animal charcoal is used decolorizing of liquid because it is good adsorbate. Not correct, student. It is the adsorbent. Option number B, 42. Option number B should be correct, student. But it is given in the book A. Let us read out again, students, what the question they are saying. Then we will finalize. Animal charcoal is used decolorizing of liquid because it is a good adsorbate. No. It is good. Animal charcoal is good adsorbent. Option number B is correct, but in the book it is given A. What will be the effect of increase of temperature on physical adsorption? It will decrease, student. Option number A is correct. So 43, option number A. Now 44. 0.2 gram of fine animal charcoal is mixed with half liter of acetic acid solution and second for 30 minutes. So what will be that is, student? Concentration of solution decreases. Concentration of solution decreases. The equation for Friendly's adsorption isotherm is, equation for Friendly's adsorption isotherm is, x by m equal to kp 1 by n, x is equal to xm kp 1 by n, that is same. This is also same. All of these are correct, student. Now 46. Let us move out the 46. So the extent of adsorption of gas on solid depends on extent of adsorption of gas on solid depends on nature of gas, pressure of gas, temperature of gas. All are correct. Okay. So extent of adsorption of gas depend on nature of gas, temperature, pressure, all. Now last question 47. What is question number 47, student? Activated charcoal is used to remove coloring matter from pure substance. It worked by adsorption. So option number B, D is correct, student. So these were the option. At the last you can check out the last options are there, and here is the explanation are there, student, that if you want you can highlight this out, okay, in your laptop or desktop, whatever you are using, and then you can go with the each option slowly, student. So this is all about the today's discussion, student. Thank you so much for watching.